Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to my Abhyas. I am Jyoti Sandeep, your maths teacher. I am so excited today to start this new academic year. Class 11th we are going to start today, and in that I am going to start with the chapter 1, that is sets. We all have seen sets, we have played that, we are using that. But actually what is set? See, in Ludo you have seen the set, in chess you have seen sets, right? In cards also we have seen that. But actually we are going to learn more about the sets in this chapter. Okay. Class 11th set is the first one, and in that first is a historical note on sets. Actually sets is discovered by the German mathematician Georg Cantor. Okay. Actually he was working on the topic trigonometrical series, the problems on trigonometrical series. When he was working, that time he invented this set theory which we are using even today. Okay, actually what is this set? Set definition says that it is well-defined collection of the objects. See, definition of the set says it is well-defined collection of the objects. What is this well-defined collection of objects? And just think that collection of object was enough in the definition, right? Collection of objects. But why this well-defined is there? Why that word well-defined is so important in this definition? Yes, this well-defined is there because the set, suppose I tell like a set of even number, all of you will write the same set. If I tell set of even number, everyone will start like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. There is no ambiguity, right? If I tell you like a set of all talented writers or talented singer or celebrities of India, then it differs. It differs from person to person. That is why it is well defined. Got it? So such sets we are taking where it is already defined properly. So that only is taken as a set, and that is has to be collection of objects. Now these objects are also called as members or elements of the set, and set usually is denoted by capital letters. Elements we write using small letters. All that is given as a points. So you can see the image also where you are having, all of you know that chess how it is, and the card how we are seeing the sets there, right? Now these are the examples what we can take: set of natural numbers, set of integers, set of whole numbers. So all are there as a here also. Set of vowels in the English alphabet, that is also one type of set. So many examples we can take. If you see in number system, you have all these sets. Okay, usually commonly we use this as a set. See, n is noted for set of natural numbers, z is there or z you can take is the set of all integers, q is denoted for set of rational numbers, r is always for real numbers. R is having all types of numbers, right? So that is denoted by R. And these also you should know. What is Z plus, what is Q plus, what is R plus. Z plus is nothing but all positive numbers, positive integers we can tell. Positive integers. And Q plus, when I take it, will has to be positive rational numbers. Okay. R plus is for positive real numbers. These are the common sets what we use. Now let's see how the sets are represented. How many types we have. So there are two methods to represent a set. One is the roster form or the tabular form. The other one is rule method, set builder method or rule method. Okay. So what are these methods? One by one I'll tell you now. First one is roster form or tabular method. See, the name itself is like this, tabular method. Okay, tabular method means what? So all the elements what we are taking here in the set are tabulated. That means we have to list all the elements and we have to separate it by commas, enclosed by the braces. Don't use any other braces except this one. The curly braces, what are they? No, that we have to use here only for sets. Everywhere where you are seeing sets, only this bracket is used. Okay, other bracket, if you are using this small bracket or open bracket, what we call that, or this square bracket or close bracket has a different meaning. It won't come under set concept. When you talk about set, always it has to be flower bracket, which is used here. Okay. So roster form means in this method all the elements are listed, separated by commas and enclosed in the flower bracket, we can call, or curly braces we can take. So example is here, set A is taken as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set B is -2, -1. This is how you write the elements in this particular method. Got it? Now, repetition of elements. Suppose if I give you the word trigonometry. 2 points has to be remembered here. In tabular method, when you list all the alphabets, don't repeat the alphabets. Suppose if the question is like, take all the alphabets which are there in this word trigonometry. Okay, so what do? I'll just list all the alphabets without the repetition. It's not necessary to repeat the alphabets. That is the one thing you have to remember. So you may ask that, ma'am, is it wrong if I mention the letter again? Definitely it is not wrong. Okay, it is not wrong, but it's not necessary. Unnecessarily don't write whatever is not required. It is not wrong. But in sets, we have the student who knows sets will not repeat the elements. That's it. And order. Order does not matter. Is that clear? Order won't matter for you. In any order you can give the elements and you're not repeating the alphabets. Got it? Okay. Let's go back to the concept. So that is what is written here. Order won't matter and you are not repeating the alphabets. Next method is set builder form. Let's see the next one. Second method. Second method here is rule method. Rule method or set builder method. See, the name itself is like that. Rule method or set builder method. That means we are forming one rule. I am giving one rule. Okay, I am forming the set. That is what this is. I have to write the set means I am only forming the rule or I am building the set. Okay, so in this method what happens? If I want, for example, I am taking, if I want these elements to be there in my set, if I write the elements directly, if I separate it by commas and enclose one, that method is called as tabular method. Correct? We are done with that. Now, the same elements I want in rule method means I have to build a rule. So what I will do, the same set A, I will write like this. X such that X belongs to natural number. X lies between 1 and 7. Okay, equal if you take also fine, if you don't take also fine. And it has to be even number. X is an even number. Is that clear? X such that X is a natural number and X lies between 1 to 7 and X is an even number. If I give that, then every student will write the same thing, 2, 4 and 6. Isn't it? That means to get the elements directly, we are forming a rule. We are building a set. That is what set builder form is or rule method is. So here examples are given. Just go through that example by the time I erase this. A is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Can be represented as the same set I want now. From 4 till 9 I want. So how do I write? X such that X is a natural number, that you can write in symbol also. X belongs to natural number. So I want from 4 to 9. So what I am writing? Only X lies between 3 to 10. This you can write or you can write like this. If equal is there, then write 4 and 9 here. So that means 4 and 9 are also included in the set. If you don't write that equal, write one number behind that. Okay, previous number. So 3 and 10 they have written perfectly fine. So that is set builder form. Second example is like this, x such that x is an odd number. Instead of writing all the odd numbers, you can just write like this. So this symbol, what is there? No, that is nothing but such that. Instead of that, you can put the colon also. X such that x is a so and so. Okay. Now come to this table. So let's see what this table says. Few examples are given here. Let me zoom that too for you so that it is clearly visible. Is it visible now? Okay. Now this is a descriptive form. Here it is set builder form. So the same thing is written in two ways. One is set builder form, other one is roster form. So here descriptive form is there and it is set of all vowels in English alphabet. Set of all vowels in English alphabet is written in set builder form. That means you are not writing elements directly, you are writing the set builder form, the rule. So x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. Vowel we tell nowadays, we used to tell oval like that. So it's up to you how you take roster form. Elements are directly substitute. Just bring that and put it in one bracket. That is roster form. A, E, I, O, U. Directly written within the brackets. That is the roster form. Got it? Second one you should answer on your own. Let's see how you do that. Set of all positive integers less than or equal to 15. Set of all odd positive integers. Odd positive integers less than or equal to 15. Build a set. So I'll build a set like this. X such that x is an odd number. First I have to take this one. Okay, odd. Positive integer I want. So it is an odd number and x lies between 0 to 15. So less than or equal to is there. So this symbol has to be there. Got it? That is set builder form. Now see the roster form. In roster form, nothing you have to think. You have to just substitute all the elements in that. What and all are there in between this? 0 to 15. What and all odd number comes, just put it in that. That is roster form. One more example is given for you. Just look at the example. Set of all positive cube numbers less than 100. Cube numbers. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube like that. It has to be less than 100. So now if I have to write that in set builder form, x such that x is a cube number and it lies between same thing. Same sentence, you have to write it in symbols. Okay. Or you can write in words also. That is also okay. And x lies between 0 to 100. Here directly you are writing the elements. 1 cube, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. If I take 5 cube, that becomes 125. Okay, so you have to stop it there. Only 4 numbers you will get. Is that clear? Okay, let's see what is next.